so we're gonna show you how we do our sleek ponytails. We're gonna take you through it step by step so you know exactly how it's done.
Yep.
Okay, so first things first, my hair's down, Loretta hair's up. Oh, Ava, Loretta, double time twins. All right, so I'm gonna put my hair in a ponytail. I don't have a mirror, so you gotta,
It's okay.
because I wanna make sure you guys see it.
You can do this yourself, but it's helpful when you see us both do it and me do it on her.
Yeah.
Yeah. So you're just gonna put your hair back in a ponytail.
Oh, can I have some oil?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so
It's okay. So we used to use hairspray, but now we started to use oil recently just because it's a little more gentle on our hair.
Mm-hmm.
So we literally just take some, put it in our hair a little bit, and then put it in.
yeah.
Okay. I already have some in, but just so you guys can see it.
Yeah, if you just wash your hair, it'll be a little harder to sheik it back. It's possible you just have to use more oil or more hairspray.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I feel like hairspray is like, I don't know, it just makes my hair feel like dry.
Yeah, and it smells sometimes if you use too much can give you like a headache. But the
Yeah.
oil, it doesn't do that at all. Just be careful you don't do too much and it like drips down your face. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like it like mess up your makeup. It's like, oh
Okay, so I got a high ponytail. Okay, so I'm gonna take this part, turn it right here.
Yeah.
Hold up. Turn it right here like this.
no. Maybe do that
Then
one more
take-
time and turn around so they see the back of it.
Okay.
And dip your head back.
Okay.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna do this. Turn. And then take another ponytail and do that. So it's like a tight bun.
Yeah. Do you guys see that? Here, put your chin back. Yeah. Easy. Yeah. Okay, so now I'm gonna take a brush like this. If you don't have one, get one. Get it on anywhere, basically, that sells brushes. Okay, so turn to the side, Diva.
Okay.
Okay, so I'm gonna take this brush and just brush it up. Okay, so I'm gonna bring your hair back, brush it up like this.
Yeah.
Yeah. This, I can't believe we used to do ponies and not do this. We would do hairspray or even no hairspray and just clip it.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh, yeah. But this is definitely helpful.
All the things that we wish we knew when we started doing ponytails, you guys. We would just like put our hair up and just hairspray everywhere. Like, mess.
So you see how her hair went back this way, but then when I push it up, it goes up like that. So I just have to do it all around her head.
Okay. And then face me. Gradually turn in a circle.
Yeah. I'll show you this side too. So this is the before. And then here, now you can like really see the after.
Okay.
It makes a huge difference. It's crazy.
Totes. Yeah, this way it gives you like a, like
Yeah.
it's up.
Yeah, and if you get like these little hairs like behind you, whatever, choose more oil. Push your back, yeah. Or more spray. We tend to use a lot.
Total.
Yeah. Okay.
All right. So now I'm cute.
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay.
Now we need a donut.
Donut. There's multiple sizes. This is pretty small, but it goes up to like extra large. But the ponytail we're using today, it's not that big, so we can use a smaller donut.
So there's a couple different ponytails. Some ponytails have claw clips that just go in like this. Those don't really stay in. Like they could be in, but you can't really like whip. If you want to like do all the hair whips and feel secure, definitely get one of these and a donut.
Yeah.
Okay, so do the donut.
Yeah. One step at a time. Okay, so turn around, Tika.
Okay.
And put your chin back. Okay, so basically you just take this donut and you wrap it around the bun that you just did, and then you take this little piece of hair and you just pull it up a little bit just to make sure it's like on, right? And we're gonna take a couple of bobby pins. Okay, you're gonna open it and you're gonna go under and through. So, boom. So it stays in, right? So you open it. This one goes in it up here, and then this one goes under the donut. Boom.
Okay.
Okay. Breezy. All right. See that little space right there? Right here on her head. I'm just going to brush it a little bit more. Just so it looks chicer.
The red is my mirror right now, you guys.
All right, hold on, Tifa. All right. Hold on.
This ponytail, you guys, look. So it has like a little comb on top, a little comb on the bottom, and this thing right here. So this goes on the top, and then this goes on the bottom, and then you pull it.
Yeah.
But I will show you right now, but just so you guys see like up close. Okay. Okay. So this goes on the top. I'm gonna hold some bobby pins so you have it. Okay, so yep. Okay, so ready? So this goes on the top. Put your chin back more, Tifa. Okay. I'm gonna try to do it on the side so I don't cover it. Okay, so this goes on the top. You put it underneath the donut right there. Okay. She's gonna hold this and you can put your chin down. Okay, now there's the comb on the bottom. And you take the comb on the bottom, you make sure the donut's totally wrapped. This space is totally wrapped around the donut. You take this and you push it under the donut like this. Boom. Awesome, you can bring your chin back a little. And then you take the drawstring right here. There's a net though, make sure the net. Yeah, the net's all the way around the donut, yeah. And you take the drawstring and you just pull it. Boom. Now we're gonna take this string and we're gonna wrap it around just so it's not hanging. I put the comb around the donut. Okay. Hold this up, Diva. Okay. Now we're gonna take a bobby pin. And we're gonna bobby pin that string around the donut. Boom.
Here. Oh yeah.
Oh, thank you. One more. Boom. Sometimes we use a lot of bobby pins. Sometimes we can only use 4. It depends on what we're doing, where we're going, how big the pony is, if we're going to be dancing, things like that. But it looks really good. Oh, hold on. Okay. Turn around for the big reveal. All right. That looks awesome. It looks real. It matches her hair. Oh, wait. I do see a little string right here. It's so minor. Okay, so turn to the side, Diva, so that you can see. Yeah. Like, you don't want something like this sticking out of your pony.
Not cute.
Not cute. So we're just going to bobby pin that part.
Okay.
There we go.
Better?
No, actually, I have to use another one.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
You guys can totally do this on your own, like for sure. If you can, if you do have somebody with you, maybe try doing it with them the first couple times and then you can do it by yourself. Yeah, for sure. But having someone help you the first time is helpful.
Having someone help you the first
time
is helpful.
Having someone help you is helpful.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Okay, so which one do we like better, ponytail or no ponytail? All right. Comment below if you have any questions, and we'll see y'all next time.